Hello and welcome to your market briefing for Wednesday, December 10th. We've got a huge data breakdown, a major move from the Fed, a game-changing IPO announcement, and crypto is knocking on the door of a massive milestone. All right, let's jump right in.
Yep, that pretty much sums it up. These are the three massive stories driving everything right now, and we're going to break down exactly what they mean for your money.
So, first up, all eyes, and I mean all eyes, were on the Federal Reserve today. And you know what? They delivered what a lot of people on Wall Street are calling an early holiday gift.
So, the headline number, a 25 basis point rate cut. This is the Fed's third one this year, and honestly, it's exactly what the market was anticipating. So, B, what was the immediate reaction on the street? How'd they take the news?
Oh, they absolutely loved it, R. The reaction was just immediate. The S&P 500 just shot up right after the announcement. It got super close to hitting a new record high by the time the bell rang. This is just classic risk-on sentiment flooding the market, as borrowing gets cheaper.
But then Powell had to go and play the Grinch in his press conference. He signaled a, and I'm quoting here, higher bar for future cuts. He was basically telling the market, hey, don't get used to this. So the big takeaway is, yeah, the party's on for now, but the Fed is already hinting that this whole era of easy money is not going to last forever.
That's great context, B. And that little warning from the Fed? Well, it had immediate ripple effects across some of the most exciting and, let's be honest, volatile parts of the market. We are talking about deep space and digital gold.
Okay, so first, the rumor that has been swirling around for years. It's finally official. Elon Musk himself has confirmed that all those reports of a massive SpaceX initial public offering are, in his own words, accurate.
And the scale here is it's staggering. We're talking about a potential capital raise of over $30 billion. I mean, that would absolutely shatter all previous IPO records. B, what does a deal this huge even mean for the markets?
It means an absolute frenzy. And remember that cheap money narrative we were just talking about with the Fed? Well, it's like pouring gasoline on another fire. The crypto bulls are charging hard right now.
And the impact was instantaneous. Right after the Fed news, Bitcoin surged past $94,000. With so much cheap money flowing, what traders call the Fed put is totally back in play. It's this belief that the Fed will always step in to support the markets. That belief was what's pushing so many analysts to say it's not a matter of if Bitcoin hits 100 grand, but really just a matter of when.
Wow, incredible momentum. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit on the corporate world, where a couple of household names are making very different kinds of headlines.
Yeah, two really fascinating stories here. So first, at Coca-Cola, it's all about leadership. They're promoting an insider, Enrique Braun, to be the new CEO. The big question for investors is, can he innovate as consumer tastes just keep changing? And then you've got GE Vernova, which is a totally different story of pure financial performance. That's right. I mean, they didn't just lift their outlook, they doubled their dividend. And the market's response? They sent the stock soaring up 15% today alone. This is just a crystal clear signal that the demand for energy and power infrastructure is still one of the hottest trades out there. A huge day for GEV shareholders. All right, to wrap things up, we're going to shift away from the hard data and have a little fun with market sentiment. Let's call it your investment fortune for tomorrow, December 11th. So, is luck on your side? Well, depending on the year you were born, the financial cosmos might just have something special in store. B, who's got the good news today?
I've got the best luck, and it is going to anyone born in the year of the dragon. The forecast says, your portfolio breathes fire today. Bullish energy surrounds you. It's time to ride the momentum, but don't forget to take some profits off the table. Sounds like a pretty good day for dragons.
That is some excellent advice. And on the flip side, we've got a word of caution for those born in the year of the rabbit. The message is pretty clear. Don't hop into trades too quickly. The market is setting a volatility trap. Keep your paws on your cash and wait for the dust to settle.
And whether you're a dragon or a rabbit, that really brings us to the final question for everyone. After a day like today, with rate cuts, record rallies, IPO mania, is it time to chase this thing, or is it smarter to protect your profits? That's the big decision for investors tonight. Thanks so much for joining us.